Tired of ads that feels like interruptions? What if they were actually helpful, guiding your customers instead of disrupting them? Hi, I'm Andrei with AD Marketing, where we help e-commerce businesses grow with Google Ads. And the answer to that question might surprise you. It's called ChatGPT. Let's talk about how ChatGPT is unlocking new ad opportunities in e-commerce. Now, many people think ChatGPT might replace Google's advertising business, but that's not really the case. Instead of competing with Google, ChatGPT offers different and new ways for advertisers to reach people. It combines the best parts of search engines and social media to help businesses reach their customers in fresh, more engaging ways. Let's explore how chatbots and search engines use different models to achieve their goals. Google is like a guide leading users from their query to a destination, be it at a website or online store, as efficiently as possible. When someone searches for something specific like best wooden garden benches, Google shows ads that match exactly what they're looking for because these people are likely ready to buy. ChatGPT is different. Unlike regular search engines that direct users elsewhere, it's more like a helpful conversation partner. Users stay on ChatGPT longer with the platform because they can talk back and forth with it to explore their ideas and find solutions to their problems. Expert Eric Seifert calls it an engagement sink, a place where people come to really dig deep into topics and get detailed answers, rather than just clicking on links to go elsewhere. This opens up new and exciting ways for businesses to show ads. Unlike traditional search ads that only focus on specific search terms, ChatGPT can show ads based on the whole conversation and context. Next, we'll look at how blending the best of both search and social creates a powerful hybrid mode. Imagine you're using ChatGPT to research wooden garden benches. As you explore different styles and materials, an ad for a local landscaping company appears. This aligns with your broader intent, enhancing your garden, not just the specific bench query. This is the hybrid model Eric Seifert envisions. It combines search-like intent targeting with social media-style behavioral ads. And ChatGPT's multimedia capabilities means ads could take any form: text, images, videos, even interactive content. For instance, promoted links, ads for high-intent queries like best wood stain for outdoor furniture, behavioral ads, targeting broader user interests, such as gardening tools or plant nurseries. Next, we'll outline the essential steps of navigating the infrastructure challenge. But building this ecosystem won't be easy. Platforms like Google and Facebook have spent decades building their advertising tools and have millions of users. They already have everything they need to run successful ads. OpenAI, with 250 million weekly users, is starting from a smaller base. Building a successful ad platform will require significant investment in ad tracking, data privacy, and targeting infrastructure. Finally, we'll consider how this emerging trend creates new opportunities, not just a zero-sum game. Despite the challenges, ChatGPT brings something new and exciting to advertising. Rather than competing with Google or Meta, ChatGPT offers a unique way to reach audiences while adding a fresh dimension to the advertising landscape. Imagine a user researching car purchase. While Google shows dealership ads, ChatGPT does something different. It helps the person compare different types of cars, like hybrids and electric vehicles, calculate costs, and explore financing. This creates natural opportunities to show relevant ads for things like car loans or warranty services. Chatbots can combine the best features of both social media and search advertising, creating new ways to reach customers with every conversation. E-commerce businesses can benefit from using both Google and ChatGPT rather than choosing just one. While Google helps people find specific products, ChatGPT can have longer conversations with customers to understand their needs better. This combination of targeted ads and interactive discussions can help businesses guide customers through their buying decisions more effectively. AI technology isn't here to compete with what we already have. It's creating more opportunities for everyone. It gives businesses new ways to connect with customers that make sense to them. Want to be part of this new wave in advertising? Reach out. This is Andrei with AD Marketing. Thank you for watching and have a great day.